Are you about to trade in or recycle your old phone? In this video, we'll show you how to safely wipe a Samsung phone. The steps work with many Samsung Galaxy phones, but we'll be using the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G in this demo. Wiping a device, also known as a factory reset, will remove all your personal information, including contacts, photos, and messages. Make sure to back up your phone first if you want to transfer anything to a new device. To wipe your phone, open Settings. Scroll down, then select General Management. Reset. Factory Data Reset. Then scroll down and tap Reset. Enter your PIN if prompted, then select Delete All. Your phone will power down and then restart. Once it does, your Samsung Galaxy should be completely reset. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.